It's best if your tags are semantically correct, but you could get by with fixing the important errors. I'm going to go over some semantics for structural items so you can recognize errors that might need corrected. The root tag is the first tag that's underneath tags, and this should be document. This will almost always need corrected. So to correct this, I'm just going to single click on it, type less than, and type document with capital D, and then a greater than symbol. You can use the part or SECT tag to put parts or sections in your document, but those aren't required. But you should have heading tags. There are heading levels from 1 to 6, where H1 is heading level 1 and H6 is heading level 6. And these levels cannot be skipped. So for example, I have H1 and then I have H3. And there has to be an H2 in between it, and when I look at the document I can tell this is really a heading level 2. So I can correct it by typing H2 instead of H3. If you notice, these particular headings aren't nested. So H2 is not a child under H1, as I have shown here. Actually, it is at the same level, so it's a sibling. The span tag allows you to separate smaller pieces of content. You can use this for different language excerpts. You can also use this to have the screen reader read a phrase that's represented by an acronym. I'm going to go ahead and look at the word NASA here. And I'm going to right click and select properties, and it'll show where I could change the language tag if that happened to be in a different language. Also, to get it to read the full phrase instead of the acronym, I can select Edit Tag, New Item, and the name of the tag is E, or the key is E, and the value would be National Aeronautics and Space Administration. And when I select OK, it puts this key and it puts what the text is for it. So now when the screen reader encountered NASA, it would say National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A lot of times you see this span when you're looking at a link tag, because the link tag contains the link itself. That's the link -OBJR. And then the span tag will contain the text that the link contains.